Welcome back to Soft Wash Evolution, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can upsell gutter cleaning to your house washing customers. And this does include cleaning gutters with gutter guards. A lot of customers will always say, oh, I don't need my gutters cleaned, I have gutter guards. Absolutely they do. There's different styles in the way you can remove them and clean. There's certain ones, like the screw-in, permanently attached ones, I don't mess with those. But these temporary steel mesh gutter guards that I'm going to show you right here in this video, show you exactly how to take them out, clean them, put them back, how to not damage the gutters in the process, and how you can charge more doing it like that. Stay tuned. So here we are up here on the first floor, going to clean some gutters with gutter guards. I apologize if the video is a little bit shaky. I'm just holding on to the phone. And the neighbors are having some tree work done because I can hear a wood chipper going over there. So I'll have to deal with that noise. But anyway, I got my Milwaukee lineman's bucket up here, carabinered onto the gutter. My ladder, I have my standoffs on there. I use these rubber no-bull pads on the end of my ladder stabilizer. That keeps me, they're rubber so they dig into the shingle. It also keeps me off the gutter. You can see I got a couple inch gap there. You don't ever lean your ladder against the customer's gutters. These are made of aluminum. Your ladder is aluminum. If you lean against them, not only you'll crush the gutter. This is the old style. Some of the new ones have screws. This one has nails. So all that is about a 6-inch aluminum nail. There's one every 18 inches or so. You'll cave that gutter right in. You'll collapse it, and then you'll take a ride down. The stabilizer keeps you up off the gutter so you're not sliding back and forth like this. Don't overreach. The general rule is wherever your belly button is, don't go past that on the ladder. So you wouldn't want to lean further than that. So as far as you can reach, 3 points of contact, 1 foot in 2 hands or 2 feet in 1 hand. Obviously, if you're cleaning, you're going to be using 1 hand all the time. I'm breaking my own rule because I've got to hold the camera too. So these gutter guards, these are steel mesh style. They're not fastened in at all. These are the only types of gutter guards that I will mess with to clean. If the ones that are either plastic or aluminum or steel that screw in from the top, or sometimes they screw under the shingles, I don't touch them. It's not worth my time. The screws are always rusted and corroded. They never come out, and if they do come out, they don't go back in, and you're fighting with gutter guards the rest of the day just to clean underneath them. I kick those to the curb. I tell the customer I'll clean off the top of the gutter guard, but I'm not going to remove them to clean underneath it. I'll spray water down there, whatever comes out, but I'm not messing with fastened in secure gutter guards. These are the temporary type. These are steel, these are pretty good ones. But what you can do is they just slide like that underneath the leading edge of the shingle. They're pretty substantial. You can pull on them, but you'd never want to pull too much on that leading edge. You can see the shingle already has a bit of a curve to it. These are older. This roof could use a wash. It's got some moss starting here. Well, it's probably been there for a while. I don't think it's starting. I think it's growing. But you don't want to bend a shingle too much. If you break that, you're in for a nightmare of replacing a shingle. They go underneath. They work from the down. So if you break a leading edge or even break a corner, it's pain. So you slide these things up. You get as much off the top of the gutter guard as you can. You pull them up. Like I said, I'm one-handed, so it's a little hard to do. You reach down in there while it's pulled up, and you can scoop the stuff out, throw it in your bucket. You got to work the whole way down. These ones are in probably 2-foot sections. You just keep working like that, as you can see, the whole way down with them. They usually lock into the leading edge of the gutter here, pop up like that, and you can pick them up or slide them back like I showed you. So that's cleaning with these gutter guards. They're pretty simple. I do charge more for cleaning the gutter guards. Like I said, if these were open gutters, I would simply reach up here and just start scooping and throwing in the bucket as fast as I can. I go a lot faster with open gutters than I do with gutter guards, which is why I charge more for cleaning with gutter guards. So that's it. It's an upcharge for you. I always ask for new customers, do you have gutter guards? If they don't know, I assume they do, and I start my billing there. This customer, I do these every year, so I knew what I was getting into. They know what the price is. So I'm going to finish cleaning these gutters, wash this house, and that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Drop me a comment, any other video you want to see. Thanks.